So hello all. So now we need to answer these questions. So Node.js interview questions. And first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? So Node.js is a server-side technology, as it mentioned here itself. So and Node.js is a Java runtime which is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript runtime. And here we can see this Apache and PHP are server-side techniques. They are general server-side technologies. But whereas Node.js, we use JavaScript code to run on server-side technologies. Okay. So in this, both server-side and manual side, we can use JavaScript for our compatibility, so that we can handle which will be very easy. Okay. And Node.js, it can handle concurrent requests. Means in a single code, we can handle many requests like sign up, login, and other various features. Okay, so that's it about this. And here, second question: what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Yes. So it's just a function. So this function is passed as an argument in another function. Okay. So in that function, let us take a function a, which is said to be a callback function. It, it is passed as an argument in another function. Let it be function b. Okay. So after completing the detail of logic of function b, then function a will be executed. So this is generally called as callback function. This callback is used so that the part of code will be executed after executing this part of code. Means after executing function b, then only function a should execute. So that's why we are passing function a as an argument in function b. Okay. Then what is the purpose of a package.json file in a Node.js project? Can I explain the capabilities found in this file? Okay. So package.json file is generally used for having metadata. About the project we are doing, the metadata will be there in the package.json file, like name, dependencies, versions, and etc. Scripts and etc. So these all function, these all the information about the project we are doing. So these are the key properties and these are the elements found in this package.json. So this is used for having a clear knowledge about the project and other details found in this project. Explain the differences between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Yes. So require and import are specific keywords or called as statements in Node.js. So import, as you know, is a statement used for importing packages. We already have uh, imported download packages. We have to import packages in the code or project we are doing. So these are the statements used when you are importing the packages, and these have to be used at the top of the file, at the starting of the project. And here require is used for a specific package which you are using in the project. For example, Express is a package you are using in some project. So this Express project first imported, then whenever you are using in the project, and before that we have to state this require function, so that Express can be inbuilt in our project. We can be using it, and this can be stated in any line of the project. Fifth question: what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in Express application? So generally, in sometimes for output, for sometimes in the server side, we have to give a message. For example, let us say in some websites you can see welcome username. If I say my name is Rohan, and the website welcome Rohan to be displayed. So at that time, the Roman is a username which have to be taken from the database or some other variable. So in that place, we will be using dollar symbol and the place where that name exists. For example, it is taken from another constant. So that constant name is variable name is written there with the dollar sign. So this is how you are using middleware into an application express application. Coming to the sixth question, what is RESTful API? RESTful APIs are representative state transfer APIs. So these are very useful in a project because the main methods of this HTTP methods are get, put, update and delete. So you can retrieve the data, we can send the data to server side and you can delete or you can update it. Update for your using get method. So what is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? Yes. So npm, it's Node Package Manager. So it is very helpful in handling different packages. Like for example, for in a node, there are many packages like Node Mailer, Express, and NodeMon. Then there are several packages like NodeMon is used for same like Node, but when you are saving all again and again, means when you are making any changes to the code, and again you have to save it and again you have to run it in the command prompt so that the server side adjust the changes. But when using node mode, there is no need of again running. Directly when you are saving, the server side will adjust itself to new changes. So this is how why node package manager is useful, because there are various packages found in it and various managers. So how do you use it to manage dependencies? Like firstly you have to initialize it. Say npm init you can use for initialize. Then you can import npm install express, npm install a package name, or else you can uninstall npm uninstall package name, or you can update also packages like npm update package name. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Yes, passwords are very crucial. Yes, passwords play very crucial in our projects, because when you are logging in, so the user password should not be shown to others, because the user data should be hidden from other users, not the management. So these passwords are very important to be hide from others. So this hash password is used. That's why it is very useful in web application, so that there are no security threats to that user or system. So that's all. I think all questions have covered, and thank you.